So I can catch you.
Okay. She just the capture them for you. Say what you said, you want to wait.
No, now Mike. No be interview. No be interview, now Mike to capture waiting they hear.
The brand.
Okay. I know you understand, yeah.
No, I make a capture the.
This is fine. Is this fine? Is this fine?
This one, okay.
So, are you guys tired? No, there's no shame in saying yes. When I don't tired,
are you tired?
When I don't talk this morning. When I talk yesterday night.
Yes.
If you don't talk yesterday night, raise your hand. If you don't talk, if you talk yesterday night, raise your hand. Who drink garri yesterday night go sleep? Who talk go sleep? Alright. I'm saying I told you pass now for market. When was the last time you ate rice and stew in your house? For Nigeria now, children they always see rice and stew only on Christmas Day.
When I sit down. In the sleep. Food is coming. Give yourself space and sit down.
This life no balance. I swear. Abroad can they treat children like this?
How are you? We'll soon be going home, okay? After you eat, you go. The only reason why we are here is simple. It's because the government are forgetting you. So we need to remind them. It's not because we can beat them. It's just to remind them that you people are still very much alive and you need to go back to school.
Yes.
That placard says Wike is wicked. So please, be patient.
Hey, sit down.
And you might speak up.
That's where you can get it. I don't like it. You say anything, you know what to do. I know. Even at that, the problem with our media. My media is fucked up. No, I don't trust our media in Nigeria. That's why I use my own platform. Almost everybody is political. You can put it on your platform now. The government will call you, you remove it. For me, I'm sure of my own. They can't make me do anything. So that's why I don't bother myself to ground this. So just don't bother yourself. Thank you.